In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Pin Family View on Steam. If you've been using Family View to limit access to certain games or features and you're ready to lift those restrictions, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get back to full access in just a couple of minutes. First, launch the Steam client on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you use more than one account on the same machine, double-check that you're in the one where Family View is currently enabled. This matters because Family View settings are stored per account, not per device. Once Steam is open, look to the very top left corner of the window for the Steam menu. Click that, and then choose Settings from the drop-down. This opens the main settings panel for your account and client. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Family section. This is where Steam groups all features related to Family View and sharing. Inside the Family section, look for the Family View area. You'll see a button labeled Manage or Manage Family View, depending on your Steam version. Click that to open the Family View management screen. At this point, Steam will prompt you for your current Family View PIN. Enter the PIN you set when you turned Family View on. You'll need the correct PIN to proceed, so be sure you have it handy. If you don't remember it, you'll need to recover it through Steam's built-in help before you can disable Family View. Once your PIN is accepted, you'll see the management options. Here, select Disable Family View. Steam will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove the restrictions. Confirm the action, and Steam will update your account settings to turn Family View off. In some cases, Steam may ask you to restart the client to apply the change fully. If you see that prompt, go ahead and restart. It only takes a moment and ensures everything refreshes correctly. After disabling Family View, all previously restricted features and games should be available again without needing a PIN. If you share your computer with others and still want some boundaries, remember you can always come back later and re-enable Family View with a new configuration that better fits your needs. That's it, quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching.